Hey guys, Eric Bond here from Design Engineering. Here today I want to talk to you about some of the new kits that we have coming out for the pre-cut insulation. Really focusing on the older Chevy trucks, everything right now from the 67s all the way up to the later the 90s. These kits are going to use our undercarpet light and our boom mat materials, get you nice and covered both with our dampening kits and then the UC light for the insulation. These are all going to be pre-cut on our CNC here in the shop. Everything was 3D laser scanned to make sure everything's going to fit, drop in directly for the customer. Not only do we have the trucks, but we also have the Mazda pre-cut insulation kits. These are both available in the damping and also the insulation. These are going to be a direct replacement for that jute fabric that gets worn out from the factory. Everything, again, 3D laser cut. Also with that is our Beetle Insulation kits. These are going to utilize our DMAT material. Also available is going to be the black floor and tunnel to replace the tar shield that used to be in the back in the engine bay. So that is also pre-cut. Everything's peel and stick insulation on that. More new products that we're going to be coming out with are their sensor covers. They're going to be available in a couple different ways for you. Either they're going to come as a 2-pack of a similar size or a nesting version. So if you want to actually close up over an actual connection, that'll work well for you. Going to be available in the 25 millimeter, 32 millimeter, and then the nesting of the 25 and the 32 together. Also, another new product is going to be our Wastegate heat shield. This is going to complement our turbo blanket heat shield line. So really this one is going to be able to fit a 40 to 45 millimeter wastegate for you. Another new product is going to be our titanium knitted sleeves. Already have the smaller versions available, but this larger size is great for the larger piping, also down pipes. And it's about a 4-inch inner diameter, but it will expand or contract about an inch and a half in either direction. So if you need to make it a little bit tighter, you can actually pull it kind of like think of it as a woven fabric. You can make it tighter or make it looser if you push it and bunch it together. Right now, with the popularity of a lot of the overlanding builds that people are doing, especially with the Sprinter vans, we have pre-cut Sprinter van insulation kits for both the short and long wheelbase chassis available. All is going to come with the instructions to show you exactly where everything is going to go. Everything's already pre-cut and ready to go. It takes all the guesswork out for you, and you're going to cover every square inch of it. The products used in this kit are going to be our 30 mil DMAT, our boom mat flex, and then our boom mat damping tape. Another very popular product anymore is going to be our side-by-side heat control kits. With so many of these OEMs not thinking about heat control for the end user and end user sitting on top of the motor, that's really where we come in. It seems like every other couple weeks we have a new chassis in here, 3D scanning and cutting everything here in-house. It's an ever-growing list. We actually have a new Razor in the back right now working on a new kit for that. But as you can see, the list is just always growing. Another product that we started with at the beginning of last year was going to be the motorcycle heat shield liners. Did a great job unveiling these down at the Bike Week down there. We actually did some installs, had great feedback from customers. We're always adding to this list as well. Customers can send us their pipes to do shields. These shields are going to be great for the customer that doesn't want to do the wrap and just wants to keep the factory actual pipe shield for you on that. So we actually developed the liner, so it's going to go right inside here, inside the pipe. So once it's installed, the customer's actually not even going to see the heat shield at all. These are going to come, again, pre-cut as a 2-piece. There's no adhesive in this. So you're going to sandwich both of these together in the pipe and bend it and form it to fit. Another addition this year is going to be our black seam tape. This is really going to complement our black floor and tunnel, similar to how the cool tape would be used on floor and tunnel to use the seams on the silver traditional. The black seam tape can really be used to help hide that little white edge that's seen. This can be done right over the seam where it butts together or on the edge. Another new product now available is going to be our transfer tape. So rather than using spray adhesive in certain applications, like some of the kits, like the pre-cut insulation kits, are going to utilize the transfer tape. This takes the mess work out of everything. Don't have any clogged cans or anything like that, clogged nozzles. It's a really high pressure transfer tape. It takes a lot to get it to come off. So once it's down, and it's not going to want to come up on you. Another thing we've done to improve an existing product, we've actually changed our spray adhesive can. The new formula, it's actually a little bit taller can, and the nozzle is completely redesigned to eliminate the clogging. Also available is the heat barrier and insulation, now available separate. Unlike the floor and tunnel where it was always one piece glued together, you can now buy the heat barrier insulation separate without the adhesive. This is very similar to the heat shield liners that we just discussed with the motorcycle stuff. Is you can basically just buy it in the larger sheets and trim to fit your own shields without that adhesive. Another addition to our pipe shield line is going to be our stainless steel pipe shields. These are going to be coming in a couple different sizes for you, with or without the standoffs. These are about a 1/2 inch standoff. They're going to allow for the airflow over the pipe but still block the radiant heat coming off. They're also available in the flatter pad without the standoffs, with grommets in each corners to mechanically fasten that to the pipe or whatever is needed to protect around there. These shields are going to feature a stainless outer shell with an insulating layer sandwiched in the middle.